Welcome everyone back to another daily vlog here on my channel. Today's video a little bit different, still staying on the inspirational theme, right? I'm hoping this video gives you some inspiration to get outside to some of those areas in your garden that don't look so great, right? Because we all have them despite what social media might make you think. So today's video, I'm going to give my front bed a really good tidy out. Now in the summer, this was very much a dahlia bed and it looked absolutely beautiful with lots of lovely blooms. We will continue with that this year, but for now, we just need to get in it, get it sorted out, because all I simply did is lifted the bulbs up and moved them ready for winter, and I left absolutely everything behind. And I walk past this every day, albeit in the dark, and that's my excuse. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So a couple of days ago, I asked you, what's the best way to eat an elephant, right? And the answer is a bit at a time. Yeah, and that's very much what my gardening style at the moment has been like through January and continuing through in February. Genuinely believe just a little bit at a time. This bed behind me, I won't do it all today. Yes, I probably broke its back, but it will make it really easy for the next time I come out into the garden just to finish off these few bits. Not only that, I'm going to reward myself with some nice pruning just on the end of this vlog. I always tend to do that, and I don't know if that's a good tip or not. I tend to hit my boring jobs first, right? Boring or maybe more labor intensive, and always save myself something till last, where I'm actually going to be pruning some chrysanthemums as well. So let's get a little bit more done on this, and then a little bit more tidying, and then we can get some pruning done. Now these are going to be my supports for my ongoing project. That is my summer house. I actually bought this summer house for £80. I am doing a video on it, but I wanted to do a full feature, so you guys just get to see it here and there within the vlogs. But there will be a video coming out at some point this year on me purchasing my £80 summer house. And sometimes it's the little jobs that gives you the most satisfaction. So needless to say, this has been hanging over our path. Now this is the only path we have. We've only been in the house a couple of years, and it's a bit of a mud bath anywhere else, so we have to stick to this path right in winter. And every time we walk past it, we're getting wet by this laurel, common laurel, Latin name Prunus lauroseraceus. And honestly, I know it's not a big job, but the little jobs make all the difference. Now this border behind me is nowhere near where it should be, but sometimes in your garden, good is good enough. If that makes sense, you're your own boss, right? You can make your own rules. If you've had enough of one job, then just simply come away from it. Gardening needs to be enjoyable. Although some of the tasks may seem overwhelming at times, it's just a case of doing what you can. There's still plenty of weeds and still plenty of brambles to be dug up out of here as well. But that's just for another day. So I apologise that it's not the most exciting of videos, but on the daily vlogs, I think sometimes we're gonna have to get stuck in to jobs like this in order to get the garden ready for spring and summer. Best way to eat an elephant, a little bit at a time. If you did enjoy it, I'm not sure how, but if you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel out, and drop a hype, as this is a new thing to YouTube. It helps push my videos out to others who love gardening just like we do. Till tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.